Monday, the 18th of July, 2022, 9:15 in the morning, mid-70s. We are now headed north on, or west, south, on US 411, Georgia 20. We're going to be leaving Bartow County, going into Floyd County, and it's such a nice drive. I wouldn't go video it, but it's such a nice drive, I just figured I'd get it. And this area is changing so much, so fast. It'll be a good before video. One little sore spot up here on the right, this used car facility, commonly known as junkyards. We'll be crossing over into Floyd County. The Etowah River is behind us. There's a sign, "Welcome to Rome." We are now entering Floyd County. Again, south, US 411, west, Georgia 20. Now when we get around this curve, look out across the scenery. It's just awfully nice. This whole northwest Georgia area is hilly. I guess a lot of people say mountains or mountainous, but I'm going to say very hilly. Got some nice valleys. We've got some swamps areas, a lot of clear streams. This whole Rome area, northwest Georgia area, is sort of like a little gem that's been kept secret. Some big changes over the next 5-10 years up here. This will be a good video for reference. Sunday I've got to work on. My new Dell computer, the battery charger power supply died on me the other day, and so I contacted Dell. They've got a very good support site. It'll read your service tags, you know, check your warranty, see what computer you've got. You can diagnose your computer, see what's wrong with it, run tests and everything on it. So I did that, and it showed that it was the charger had failed. So then I tapped chat and talked with a service rep, and they sent out a new charger, and I got it within 2 days. It's working back again. I can't say enough about Dell product support and their computers. So far I've had nothing but a great experience with Dell. That's the bypass there. I guess we'll just go on into Rome. Here at Walmart. I've seen it for $3.82 in Cartersville. My plan is to go to Lafayette and ride the bicycle today, which is north of Somerville. The Walmart in Somerville usually has the cheapest gas around. We'll see what it is if we get up there. My plans change so quickly and so much that, you know, I'd say I plan on doing this, but that doesn't mean it's going to happen. Again, just a very nice summer day. Going to be 90 degrees, 70 tonight. I mean, it's just perfect summer. About a month into summer, we still have 2 months left. Have August, you know, rest of July, August, and then September. Hopefully, this will be a really nice fall, autumn. He just blew that. Talk about me running red lights. I mean, he just blew the stew out of that light. I think he had time to stop even though he had that big load, but I'm not gonna. You know, I can't say anything. As many of these run that red lights as I get caught running. Well, I don't get caught, but as many of them as I run, and my viewers get on to me about it. Coming into Rome proper now, picking up Georgia 101, or I guess if we wanted to take 101, Cedartown and Gadsden to the left, that's South 411, Georgia 53, and US 27. We will bear off to the right, take US 27 north, Georgia 53 east, and Georgia 20 west. late on that bridge. A lot of history in Rome, Georgia. Civil War history, Native American history. GoPro's battery is low, but I think we'll probably have enough to get through Rome. We'll take 27 north, and we'll be skirting the main part of downtown. $3.99. Saw it for $4 something a minute ago. See if we can read the date. Probably not because of these guardrails. Nope. Got the Kroger here on the left. You've got the Home Depot on the right. There's a really nice food truck right there across from the Home Depot down there in the parking lot. Very nice people, very nice family. Excellent original Mexican food. If you're in this area, you need to try it. I think they said they were going to take off about a week and do some stuff, but excellent food, original, and very nice people. And again, they're right down there, I guess in the Goodwill parking lot, right down there on the right when you pass Home Depot. If you're in the area, give them a try. They're very good. Road work ahead. Expect delays. I'm thinking these bridges are 40s. Could be early 40s, late 40s. Now there's going to be a new varsity up here on the right. There's an old Dairy Queen. They haven't started tearing it down yet. Or I say there's going to be a new varsity. It's rumored that there's going to be one up there, but who knows whether it really will be or not. Okay, this is where Georgia 53 comes in from the right here. All the way from Watkinsville over there. 293 is right here. That takes you down into Kennesaw, through Kingston, Cartersville. Going slower than I am, man. Rome Welcome Center right up here on the right. Turn right here, go right up the hill to the Rome Welcome Center. Got some nice trails and some nice history. Old cotton gin, several things right up there. If you go right into Rome here, on the straight ahead, but we're going to turn right here, Riverside Parkway. guess we should have went on and connected to 27 down there and went out, but we didn't. I don't think the weight distribution was correct on that trailer back there in that van. Parachute factory up here from World War II. Ridge Ferry Park. I think Chief Ridge. Native American had a ferry right here across the Oostanala. The Oostanala comes in from the north. Etowah comes in from the east, and they form the Coosa. Up here, the Ridge Museum and ferry right here on the left, parachute factory on the right, Chieftain's Museum. Right here, this is where, let's see, what is this coming in here? Veterans Memorial. What does this turn into if we go to the right up there? Oh well, we're going to turn it off here.